I told you.
From 10 minutes, let's see what happens.
There goes a fire.
What'd you put on, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Excellent.
John.
Bye.
Hey.
Oh, come on. Blow up.
Hey, what the fuck? Bullshit. Uh-oh. What's up? We got...
Looks like gremlins.
There's action in there. Let me get my fucking gun. I'll pull one right to the front of that motherfucker.
Here it goes.
There we go.
And the firecracker went off. That firework went off.
You only put one bomb in there?
Yeah. I told you, I figured it would go off.
I got another white microwave to work.
It fucking melted that bitch. Holy fuck. Power still on it? Shut the door and hit timer.
Take that shit out. Put the tank can in.
His timer still works.
Oh, no, we'll put the tank can in.
Hold on. Hold on.
The light doesn't work anymore, does it?
Oh,
we need to put the tank can in there.
hold on. We got action over here.
We need it. You know what we should have did? Duct tape
There it goes.
the door.
Watch it.
Duct tape
Watch
the
it.
door
Here it
closed.
goes.
You hear me? We didn't take the door closed, it wouldn't open.
Where's the tape closed? There you go.
Here we go.
Got the fire action. It's gonna combust.
What are you backing up for, Chris?
Hell yeah. I value my face. What are you talking about over there?
He don't know.
What happened?
Blow the microwave.
Oh well.
Blue.
Get the guns.
Give me a fucking paper.
Put another, hey,
I'll say that, but
and go put another fucking bottle rocket.
Put a fresh piece of foil in it.
Oh shit, little fucking bottle rocket.
I got all this fucking thing.
No, I'm saying though, put some.
Unplug it. Unplug it. Wherever it is. It's plugged in the center. Plug in the yellow cord on the other side of the trailer.
It's on fire.
I mean, a minute I go over there and unplug it. Just let it fucking run. See what
I
happens.
just let it run too. You got another microwave y'all can blow up.
I got more foil.
I let it run.
What'd you do? Hit the popcorn button? I think that tip ball is worn out.
Oh yeah. Pull that motherfucker out then.
Hey, you got some copper?
Pull the plug.
Oh, fuck you now. Pull the plug, yeah.
Pull the plug!
Hell no.
I want to put these in there.
I got a couple 30 round, 30 calibers I want to throw in there.
Something copper in there. I haven't really